Yan na siya!
Ayan na si Kong!
Content Asia 2024 Best Actor for Katlea Killer! Palakpakan natin, ang daming karangalang dinala ni Arjo sa atin. Arjo!
Hi, Arjo! Here's the mic. Please greet everyone!
Hello everyone, good evening po. Maraming salamat for coming. It's nice to see everyone again. Thank you, thank you.
Palakpakan natin si Arjo. At syempre, abangan natin ang The Batman.
Yes, we're opening the floor for some questions.
Filipino star ngayon and Feb, the one and only Gorky.
Rula.
Congratulations, Kong.
Thank you po.
First, ano mo na yung pwede pa-explain sa amin? Ano itong content creator na napanalunan mo? Saan, tsaka saan ito? At tsaka, Katlea, napanalunan mo sa Katlea Killer, di ba?
Opo, content.
So,
Sorry po, Content Asia Awards is in Taipei po. So, ang dami naman din po sumabak. No? And luckily, we were given the opportunity to represent in the Best Actor category. And nandali po. So, yun po yung sa Taipei. And it happened just last week. So, yun po.
okay. Parang first time yung sumali doon.
Opo, first time ko manominate sa Content Asia for Katlea Killer po.
Manominate, pero nakaka-join na kayo dyan before? Or ngayon pa?
ABS itself po, yes. Pero ako po,
okay.
it was my first time to be nominated.
Oo. Mukhang patong-patong yung ginagawa mo ngayon as an actor and as a public servant sa 2025 na rin kasi, di ba? Briefly pa at pwedeng pa-share na rin sa amin anong mga plano mo kasi aside from this, yung tapos na yung Katlea Killer, mayroon ka pang yung sa inyo ni Isabel Sandoval.
Yes.
So ano nung plano doon? And then, ano rin yung mga nakaplano or mga naka-line up na gagawin mo naman as a congressman naman ng ano, tuloy pa rin ba yung pagtakbo mo? Kasi dire-diretso ko na yung tanong kasi para makakomment ka na. Kasi ang unang
Naalala ko ba?
may lumutang kasi na kwento na sa 2025, yung mamo raw, si Silvia Sanchez, ang tatakbo muna as sa Congress at ikaw daw ay magfo-focus muna sa pagiging aktor. So ano ba talaga doon? Doon muna tayo sa mga plans, unahin natin.
Opo, yung for this year po kasi all the plans are already done. No? Plans meaning the projects that I've committed to ABS as well as part of my responsibility at hanap buhay. Sabi ko po, of course, I had to finish what I had to finish and I did it during the breaks of Congress. Minsan po na-overlap, but rest assured that the district was my priority. No? And for Moon Glow po, that is coming out next year po. We ended na rin po a couple of months ago. May nireshoot lang kami recently for a day. But the
For
rest,
commercial
opo.
release, cinema release pa to?
That one po ay hindi ko po pwedeng pangunahan si Direk Isabel. She's the one on top of it as well. So that one to follow na lang po. Topa, of course, with Julia Montes and Chong and Sid Lucero, of course.
Ito sa cinema na to.
Opo, coming soon po yan. It will come to the...
So, mauna mo na yung
Topa
Topa?
Manila. Opo, very very soon. Within the year po, hopefully. And for Bagman po, of course, not to announce yet, pero very soon na rin po, hopefully, malaman din po namin yung final na nakalalapasan ito or what platform will we be coming out for this.
Then, doon na tayo sa political plans. Ko naman.
Yes, so
Tuloy pa rin
tapos
ba
na
ang
tapos na
election?
lahat. No? No, it's not true. My mom is not replacing me. I have much to do. We have been working very hard in the district. No? And as a promise to my responsibility, to my commitment to the people, for the next, from this month actually, from last month pa, nung natapos ko na yung mga, again, my commitments, I was able to keep myself free until after elections as well, so that I can focus, of course, in the district.
So, tuloy-tuloy.
Kitang-kita yung kapangitan ng
Hindi ko si Mami ako po.
Last na lang, saan naman si Maine dyan sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo?
Of course po, during my free times and during my free days, kapag may bakasyon, kaya nga po, we travel, nakikita po ng tao. Because those are the only times talaga na we get to spend time together, to be honest. Kasi pag nandito po sa Manila, of course, meron din siyang responsibility. She also has commitments to attend to. And also me as well. I juggle up, all these things. But rest assured, it's just time management, proper time management, and we're both very happy if paunahan ko na rin po kayo. And yeah, it's just really time management po. And she's always my priority at the end of the day as well. Of
Akala
course.
nila buntis na si May nung medyo nawala siya doon sa Bulaga.
Hindi po. We went on a vacation for our first wedding anniversary po. Yun lang po yun. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you,
po.
Thank you, Gorgie. Latest win sa Content Asia. Nagkaroon ka ng inkling na you're gonna win. Meron kang feeling na ikaw yung mananalo or talagang it's a surprise. Nung gabing yun na tinawag Arjo at I as winner.
Ako? Yung feeling ko? Hindi, ganun pa rin eh. Same. I had the same feeling. We went there, diba, with Kim, Kayla, and the rest of Ted. And of course, it's EJ, Tanya, and the rest of the people with us from ABS-CBN and the other network. I guess none of us were expecting anything. No? To be nominated is already such a privilege. The recognition itself will be a bonus, like we always say. It's not being humble, but it's really trying to push Filipino content, trying to push Filipino connections in a better way so that we could excel back to where we were back in the 80s, 90s, etc. So yun po.
Enzo, we have a
Hi Arjo.
Hello po. Nice to see you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Arjo, syempre, itong Content Asia, gaano ka na nasasanay na tumanggap ng awards? Kasi parang lagi ka na lang nakakatanggap ng award.
Hindi naman po sasanay. I don't think anyone will get used to this. No? Again, I don't work for awards. I never did. Still the same thing, still the same guy. I'm just really enjoying what I do. I'm learning, especially with the last projects na ginawa ko po. Insane knock on my head. Kasi obviously po, nakafocus po dito. When I got back to working on screen, it was different because I was exposed to sila Alta Juday, Tito John, and the rest of the veterans and the seasoned actors that I'm very privileged to work with. So, yun po.
Pero ano yung importance sa'yo na makatanggap ng awards?
Importance, number one, it's for us Filipinos. That's always with me. Number two, it's always for ABS. Always thankful to God, my family. But what's the importance of getting it? Personally, of course, it's not just a recognition. Yes, I did a good job, but it always just motivates me to learn more, to be worthy of what they gave. And the importance of pushing, as I said, I am one with ABS. So that award that I won, sabi ko, it's not for myself. It's always going to be as a whole idea. Kasi mula po nung Katleya pa lang, to Pagman and the rest, being with ABS-CBN International, they've always targeted going international. And not for selfish reasons, but always to give maybe a door, an opportunity that could open to us Filipinos to be back on top again. So yun po.
Siyempre, napapanood ko sa movies at saka sa miniseries, pero may mga nakaka-miss din na gumawa ka ng teleserye. Can we expect any teleserye soon?
Siguro po, next year. I could say maybe next year. I've been gone for about 5 years on free TV as well. And of course, ang dami na po nangyari. Again, I have my responsibilities. But definitely po, I'm looking forward to coming back, even just for a while. And to be back on my playground and to learn more again with the people that I've been working with.
Meron kang inaay na actress na gusto mong makatrabaho sa susunod mong career?
Lahat. To be honest, anyone. Still the same po. Let's say, when we get those interviews since before, I want to work with everyone naman talaga. It really gives me the opportunity to learn more, to stretch out. Nagugulat din po ako sa mga iba't ibang artista, the way they lay their cards on the table pag sinabing action. Especially again with the last projects that I've been working with, they're insane actors, very unselfish actors, and I'd always be grateful for them. I'm indebted, especially to the people here in Pagman and Katleya.
Thank you, Arjo. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Salamat.
Thank you po.
Miss Tess, bigyan.
Hi po. Hello.
Yan, paano pala yung tungkol sa serye? Ang pagkakaroon ko kasi dapat kasama ka sa incognito. So ano talaga yung dahilan bakit hindi ka na natuloy doon? Isang question lang yun. Thank you, thank you.
Ako po, kaya naman ako. But, yeah, I feel really bad no, to be not part of the show, not for anything. But again, like what I said po, hindi ko na po papahabain ng aking explanation. It was very heavy heart that I had to say no because obviously I have priorities po talaga right now. And although I really want to be 100% committed, if I'm not 100%, then it would also be unfair to my co-actors po. So, and I've always worked 100% for these guys. So, yeah, given the opportunity, of course, I wanted to give it my all. But for now, I have to focus on this po. So yun po, yung ano.
Okay, isang tanong lang.
Congratulations, Arthur.
Thank you.
Napapag-usapan niyo ba minsan ni May na magsama kayo sa isang project? And how do you choose yung roles na
May Panginay kasama si
Gagawa.
di ba?
How do I choose the roles? With Maine, of course, maybe one day, I don't know when, makapagpagawa po. At least we could say we did a film, no? And definitely I would love to work with my wife. But regarding your second question, how do I choose my roles? I don't really choose, to be honest. I would love to say I choose. But more than choosing, I just trust the process. I trust the management. I trust the Caporis, Ricardo, Director Will. All the people I worked with, they've put me here. So whatever role they give me, no? Minsan lang po, yung schedule na lang po yung pinipili ko. So that's about it, no? But I'm just really grateful that they've given me all those roles to be able to express my creativity as an artist with all opportunities and all boxes, no? Without being boxed out in whatever way. It's been such a journey, no? How many years? 11? I think 11 years na po. It's been very fast. But I'm always just so grateful because nga, just talking about those roles, it's been, every role has been an opportunity and a learning curve for me, given all the opportunities that all the bosses and all the management production staff are giving me po. So,
congratulations?
thank you po.
Maraming salamat. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you po.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
I'm so happy for you. Success ng
Thank you
career, ng love life.
Thank you po.
Yung question ko is, kasama din ba sa plan nyo ni May to have a baby soon? Parang yun din inaantay ng kailan nyo siya sa yeah.
I would love to
Ano
answer.
ka pa ni Rhea, di ba?
Opo, I'm very happy for my sister, no? Sanjo. Very, very happy. But regarding us, no, secret na lang po. Of course, we talk about it. But that's between us po muna. No? For now, we're really enjoying each other's time kasi hindi naman po ito mauulit. No? Na kami dalawa na lang po. Diba? Together. And for a long time. So we're just enjoying po. And yun po, secret na lang po kung kailan. That's between us na lang po. But definitely we talk about it. Thank you po. Thank you.
Thanks, Alan. We have...
Hi, Kong! Congrats! Kong, magiging tito ka na. Anong feeling?
Masaya. This is the first of the fourth generation kasi kami na Rhea kami pinsan ng our first cousins no, sa Thai side. We have no pamangkins yet. So, ito yung pinakauna. Of course, and I'm very much excited. Hindi ko na ma-explain. We're just waiting. And of course, all-out support to Rhea and Z. Hindi ko na pa po sasabihin ko, this is their story to tell. Sorry. But yun po. I'm just very excited. Super all-out support for them and much love to Zanjo as well.
Thanks, paano niyo po napapagsabay ang dalawang career mo being a politician and an actor? Hindi pa kayo na-stress?
Lahat naman tayo dito stress siguro sa kanya-kanyang trabaho. No? But definitely, there's a way to manage stress. There's time management. How do I work with it? During my breaks po, in Congress po, meron kami mga isang buwan na kalahati, isang buwan, minsan halos 2 buwan na hindi naman talaga bakasyon. We also limit on the district. So during those times, just to explain, during those times of my breaks, isang buwan na yun, let's say 1 month and a half, I divided instead of, since wala po kaming Congress, we have no responsibilities in the plenary, I divided po. So I tape, I do this sick work, I do this sick work, and that's throughout the week of my vacation. When we're back to Congress, then I just have maybe shootings at least once a week po. Para at least it's all divided from district to Congress and to my, of course, sa aking hanap buhay din naman at least weekly. So yun po.
Pero may time pa po kayo sa yung water pressure ng Mendoza.
Yes po. Always. We'll never lose time for her. And, you know, it's just, minsan lang po, of course, mahirap. There are weeks, days, months, it's kind of hard from our schedule. But, yun po. Due time po, hopefully we can balance more. And, yun nga po, during breaks as well, may mga singit naman din po kami ng alis-alis para at least we have our own personal time together. So, yun po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Good luck.
Nice to see you. Thank you.
Congratulations!
Hello po. Nice to see you. Thank
Oo.
you.
Alam, sa acting wala ng duda na napakagaling mo. Pero being a first-time congressman, can you share with us kung ano yung mga naging challenge sa'yo? At gaano mo nai-enjoy yung being a public servant ngayon? And kung na-enjoy mo man siya, is it possible na tumakbo ka for a higher position like Senate para maging first lady rin si Mir?
Oh, wow. Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, how should I say it? What was the first question po? Sorry?
Yung challenges mo,
The challenge, okay. The challenges
being a
was, sige,
first-time
of course.
congressman.
Yes po. Challenges, of course, a lot po, a lot. Of course, discovering the whole place, more problems and problems come along. No? For temporary, you have temporary solutions, you have permanent solutions that you have to apply to the district itself, to the people, things to discover in and out of the government, how it really works, different agencies to talk to, iba't ibang ahensya. No? And besides that, not only yung trabaho, but of course, your legislative agendas, your legislative responsibility as well. So, being a congressman, there are two things. No? Your groundwork to the people, and of course, yung mga isa sa batas nyo, no? Bilang isang kongreso. And what made it challenging, of course, is, of course, the dami din po ng batas. No? Sometimes you can't please everyone. No? There's no perfect bill. There's no perfect nothing. So you can't please everyone, but rest assured, no? As we go on and we learn, especially for the young ones, all these bills existing, no? Like the Eddie Garcia bill and all this stuff, have already existed from the past that we just had to revive. No? And that was between me and Kong Tof Divinesha, our chairman for the creative industry. And all these things. No? You get to learn more of how to explore like ways and innovative ways of changing. Because sometimes po may mga batas na rin po na existing, it's just that it's not modernized up to this day. No? And there's so much more to tackle, there's so much more to tell you. No? But definitely made it challenging are all the new things that I've discovered, no, along the way of how to help people, how the long process goes, and all these things. But every challenge was accepted. We went through it. We talked to who we had to talk to. We obeyed on rules depending on who agency to talk to. So we were very blessed to be held by each and every one. And it turned out to be easier din po because, to be honest, the sitting administration with President Bongbong Marcos, Speaker Martin Romualdez, have been very, very supportive po talaga sa congressman. And that's bias aside po, I'm telling you. It's just I'm speaking of personal experience. You know, and they've been very, very supportive, and it made everything easier, especially for us who were trying to, you know, figure out all these new products that we never discovered and never had. So yun po.
Obviously, you're enjoying the challenges that you're...
Senate, to tell you honestly po, I want to take it day by day. People have been asking me this. I want to take it day by day. You know, politics doesn't work that way. I don't see it that way. There's day by day. You have to learn day by day. You have to be very knowledgeable when you get to a certain position. You know, by the book, even. So for me, I'm taking it day by day. I'm not ambitious as that. No, but I am ambitious of helping people and trying to do something and making a change in every way I can through a district. No? But definitely, in terms of higher position, no, I'm not speaking of kung salita lang tapos. I'm not saying that, you know, pakipot or what. No, I'm taking it day by day. And once I learn, I'll know if I can. I'll know if I'm not. And I'll be honest. I'll be honest. I won't fake it. I won't fake it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mars. Next.
Ayaw ng food film.
Oh, wow. Wow, it's a very nice question. choosing between two different fields, two different fields po. I can't explain. Fulfillment. I don't. How should I say? I help people because I have to and I can. Fulfillment is not even a feeling. Fulfillment, I feel once I've done something as a whole. No? Once there is something, that's when I feel fulfilled. Not really helping. I can't explain, but it's really hard to explain. It's a very hard question. No? It's a very personal question. Yeah, I take it personally. It's not about fulfillment. On the side of helping, I just want to help when I can. We wanted to make a change. I said in this area, I can't do it for the whole Philippines. I'll do it here, and we've been doing it for 2 years so far, so good. With the other side of acting, that's my playground. As a person, hanap buhay ko din po. That's where also I started. That's where I put people. That's why also partly I'm here. May kinalaman na rin po yan sa pag-showbiz ko, of course, for awareness. No? And I won't take that away. That's reality. But again, fulfillment siguro po as a whole. I feel fulfilled on both, no? But really more on acting side personally. But on the helping side, I know it's more than it's not a fulfill. I can't explain. I just really have to. I want to help. I can help. So that's my mentality when it comes to that side po. Yun po. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thanks, Alvin.
Welcome. Curious question lang. So, naka 1 year na kayo ni Maine. So, could you share to us yung naging journey ng inyong as husband and wife na? And kung nagkaroon na ba ng petty tampuhan, how did you resolve it?
Opo, pwede na po. I think that's normal naman po, pero nothing big. We haven't fought. I'm very happy. Our journey has been nothing but great. We're growing together. And I'm just very blessed that it's her. At the same time, ano po, masarap po sa feeling. May asawa as well. She's made it easier. She's been very more understanding, especially with the demand of both jobs that I'm in right now. And yun lang po, her support, her care for me is on a different level. So I'm just really blessed. So, yun po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.